Good evening to all of you. In this particular presentation, I am going to release the trend report for Nifty and Bank Nifty using our one standard deviation software for the period of 19th to 23rd April 2021. So as you know that last week also we have given. So before I will enter to this week's discussion, I'll just discuss about the last week's performance, the report what we have released, and the result what we have got. So result what we have got and the report what we have released, on that I will have a small discussion. So as you know, last week Monday we have the gap down opening we had, and if I just go to the NSE site for introspecting on those data points, I will get more clarity on that. So last week we have expected that Nifty, if it opens above 14,975, it can make highs. If it is opening below 14,810, it can go lower level till 14,326. In fact, last week we did not get a proper opportunity to trade also. So Nifty on 12th April itself, it has opening was 14,869. So which was the day's high. Then it has fallen by 500 points and made a low of 14,282 and closed at 14,364. So if you look into these data points, so 364, so very few points, 20-30 points above this one only, it has closed. However, 282, it has gone to a level of second cycle. So all in all, this particular level only it was moving. So you can say all higher points if you can see. So today also on 16th, it has made 730 Nifty, 14,730 level. So you can say that we have not got any chance to enter because gap down opening itself happened around 14,676 level. So here 89 level it has opened. So there are no chance as per this report you can make. But if you have the software, you can use it by regenerating the levels or looking into the second cycle. So this was for the Nifty, and if I look into the Bank Nifty, similar trend I am viewing here. So last week we have expected, so 32,156 below downtrend, 33,073 above uptrend. However, the opening was pretty low. It has opened at 31,821, 31,821. So here, so 0.618 fast target itself we are opening, and it has gone to a level of 30,610. So last target 50-60 points it has penetrated, and from there was a bounce, and you can say that today also it has come to 32,400 and odd. So based on this report, you have not got the chance to enter. So here for coming week, what is there in our report? So that I am going to say you here. So 14,704 above there is a uptrend, and 14,544 below there is a downtrend, and we have for the Nifty and Nifty future. This is all we are talking about Nifty future. So today Nifty future close was 14,624. So if it is giving you a uptrend breakout 14,704 by the future along with one 14,700 put option, you will be expecting your first target 14,833, second 14,890, and so on. So you must hedge your long position with a put option buy, or you can think of selling some call option also. So for if the downtrend breakout given 14,544, then you must sell Nifty at 14,544, and along with that buy a call option 14,550 call option you buy to hedge this particular sell options. So if you are doing that, so you must expect that the last target of 14,077. So this is as per this report. But if you are using the software, you can get the three cycles. So sometimes there will be a huge gap up or gap down. So on that time, this report will not help you, because report is only pertaining to the first cycle. So report what I am showing you. So this is only having these values, these values. So if there is a gap down open happens, then how you will take a call? So, or there is a gap up happens, how you will take a call? Suppose if that is opening happens 14,704 to 753, you have chances to buy. If there is a huge gap up happens, so you can enter at second cycle. Same process if there is a gap down happens. Suppose instead of 454, 554, 14,544, it has opened much lower. Then you have the second cycle to make an entry. So here 14,280 level you can enter for a target of or optimum target of 13,821, and when you are entering in the second cycle, you must have the first cycle cluster as your stop loss. So you must hedge here, and first cycle cluster you must be as your stop loss, and here you need to reverse your trade. So reverse your trade. So this is how you can trade if you have the software. If you do not have the software, so this only one cycle is given to you. So same process if I am going for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if I am going for the same process, if I am going for Bank Nifty, so how it will work out? So Bank Nifty, if I am just going for the same process, so what will be the Bank Nifty's level? So 32,512 above I should buy, because here 0.382 level is my entry, and I must hedge it with one 32,500 put option. Or if it is falling below 31,533, I must sell here along with one 31,500 call option buy. So if there is a gap up or gap down, I can look into the second cycle as my entry, and the first cycle growth cluster will be stop loss for the second cycle buy entry. First cycle decay cluster will be the stop loss for the second cycle sell entry. So this process, if you have the software, you can use three different cycles. If you do not have the software, you have to go along with the report. So these are the trend analysis for the coming week, and these are not intraday levels. These are the weekly levels starting from the 19th to 23rd. So this is the weekly levels. These are not the intraday levels. So, and these are the all levels calculated for the futures. It is not for the spot level. So I have couple of announcement to make it here, and one appeal to make it here. So many of you are involved in trading activities, as well as you are the long-term follower of smart finance literatures. So now it is a very unprecedented thing going on in a country like us in India. Huge number of COVID cases are coming. I'll request all of you that stay safe, use the mask, use social distancing. These are our responsibility towards the society and towards ourselves. Though only social distancing or hand hygiene or mask is not going to protect you from the disease, but it can very well reduce the chance of infection. So it is my appeal to all of you, request to all of you, do not take it lightly, be serious. This is a disease and we need to handle it very carefully. So do not take it lightly and fully mask yourself. So many people mask themselves, nose is open, only mouth, it is namesake, the mask is there. Do not mask yourself just to protect yourself from police fines. Mask yourself for your safety. Proper masking is required. So we are in a democracy. Nobody can force impose on us. We are a very great democracy, and it is our duty to protect ourselves and protect our citizens. So it is my request to all of you, please take it seriously, mask yourself, follow the standard protocols of the respective governments, and follow the social distancing. These few good habits can reduce the chance of infection. This is my first appeal to you. And again, this is a good time for all of us to learn and equip ourselves or enhance our knowledge base. So we have designed a program in the 24th and the 25th of April 2021 on option trading, how you can choose correct strike option to trade, what are the simple option strategies we can initiate, and various other fundamental concepts. It is for the basic understandings you require. So these are the very basic understandings you require to be an option trader. So if you have interest in this subject, do register for this program. So this costs you only 118 rupees. So here 24th and 25th, 24th April, it will be in English. 25th April, same subject will be in Hindi. 26th April, we are having the live market session. So coming weekend, 24th, 25th and 26th. So this program is there. So if you are interested, do join for this program. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. And I pray to God for all of your well-beings. May God bless us to overcome this difficult time. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.